Just creating a web gallery in Lightroom. This is the third section. Just going over to watermarking here. You can have that, obviously check the checkbox and it comes on, and you can have a watermark of your name or your website address just to protect your images or just to show your website, so if people do look at the images and they're shared amongst friends, they always come back to your website. If you just click on the little arrow here, you can change it. I've got a preset of Richard Barley photography. That's that one there, so you can just have your company name. If we just click on it and go edit watermarks, it lets you set up whatever you like, a web address, as I say. So we'll just do one here. We'll do a preset from scratch. So we go save current settings as new preset, and this is just a version of this, so let's just call it Richard Barley photography and create. Choose another one because I've got one set up with that already, so let's just try number 2 and create. So that's a preset and that's set up now. You can type any text you like in here. So if you wanted to do www.pureprints.com as your web address, that will now appear there. I've got the opacity of this one set very low so you can't really see it, and you can change the colour to whatever you like. Just go on the slider, sorry, black. Size you can change, and then you can adjust the opacity over here. Obviously if it's a web address you want it to stand out because you want people to go back to your site. So we'll save that as a Pure Prints preset, so go down, save current settings as a new preset, and just call it www.pureprints.com, create. So that's just a version of it now, so click done, and then when you come back over this way you can see with the little drop down arrows that lets you have the options of whatever you like. Now I can change it to richardbarley.co.uk, and we'll just use that one for now, and I'll just preview it in the browser. When you click on preview in browser, it's just going to go to Internet Explorer or Firefox or Safari, whatever you're using, and just show you what it's going to look like in that particular browser. What I would suggest is that you download at least 3 or 4 different well-known browsers, so you can see exactly how it's going to look to everyone on the internet. And there's your web gallery. And click next, it goes to page 2. You can go on and on and on. And just click on one. There's your watermark. It's not something I actually put on any of my images. It's a personal thing. If people are going to steal your images, they'll steal them. It's not something I worry about that much. They're your images. If you can prove they're your images and they're your copyright, I'm not sure you really need to put this on, but that's up to you. We'll just go back to the beginning, which is index.html, and this is the first page that any search engine will see.